Welcome!
Welcome to our channel, Stress-Induced Left Eye Twitch. I'm Jillian.
And I'm Bo.
I feel like something just flew on me.
There's a lot of crawly things. It's my hair! Don't worry.
Ew.
It's not you. I'm somewhat clean. So we have a random video. If you guys remember, this spider web, I think I said one. This spot is not working out for us.
I think it is.
Did you see how many compliments you got in our last video?
Yeah, it made me really insecure because I was wearing makeup for the first time. And also London, my husband, said something. He was like, "Wow, you look really good today." I'm like, "It's because I'm wearing makeup."
No, and your hair was done.
Yeah.
No,
my hair wasn't done.
It was down.
It was down, yeah.
No, maybe you put it up halfway.
No, I
through.
didn't. I'm just kidding. It didn't make me insecure.
Seriously,
I just thought it was
randomly,
funny.
you were super cute in that video.
It's because I have makeup on.
You win some, you lose some.
It's okay. I know that most people, I
look
think,
bald.
I
I'm starting to go
think people
postpartum
without-
no
No, wait. You'll know when you're really getting postpartum.
No, I actually
hair.
am. I keep having breakage around here.
No, I'm talking about literally you'll just put your hands through your hair to get the loose strands out.
Maybe that will be the one thing that I won't have to
Don't
deal
get?
with right now. Actually, I'm dealing with things fine. It's just my kid. Okay, if you guys remember from way back when we first announced that I was pregnant, we got a Amazon baby registry. Well, I found out because I'm part of a mommy group on Facebook called the Amazing Mamas because our babies were all due May 2018.
Didn't work
Mine
out
came in
for you.
April.
You don't belong.
Another
in
wrench
that
in the group, but they said
You don't belong in that group, Bo.
they said that if you registered on Amazon, which I did, then you'd be eligible for a post baby. Like this is, I think, their 0 to 3 month option or whatever.
Oh, how'd you get it?
It was all free.
How'd you do it?
So what I did is I went to my registry, and then it's like claim rewards and benefits, and then I went there and it said you're eligible for this, and so then when I'm at checkout, it's like you want to use your credit of $35 to get it, and so I say yeah. So it's free.
Where'd that credit come from?
They just like
Applied it?
Okay, wait, that's not it.
Oh, that's
What is
temperature test.
Pump number 1, 2. Okay, so I'm going to open this box. Julie's not seen any of it. I have because I'm too impatient to see. Comes like
I didn't
this.
know she was getting this. I'm very excited. Why can't I look if you're gonna...
Do you want to
Yeah.
reach your hand in?
Okay.
No!
What?
I want to see what you're grabbing. Reach your hand in as a mystery.
You're so annoying.
First item is
I'm gonna reach down here.
Mama Bear.
Diapers.
Size 1 diapers.
Isn't this their brand, the Amazon brand?
Is that what it says?
No, it's just this Mama Bear.
Oh. These are 2 diapers, size 1. Bea is still in size 1s.
Distributed by Amazon.
You're right. She will remain in size 1s for a very long time, I feel like. My daughter is on the small side of things, and so she's like, I think 11 and a half pounds now, and she's 3.5 months. So she'll still be in that for a while. Oh. No, that's a good one. Don't pick that one.
Ooh, Simple Joys by Carter's. Like
What is
one...
it? Open it.
Okay.
No, there's a thing in the back.
Or it's a bodysuit.
Nope, there's a thing in the back.
Size 3 to 6 months.
Oh, so we'll fit her in 3 months.
It'll fit her in 5 months.
She got out of newborn like a month ago. Oh, that's
huge.
Way too big for her. She actually had one that I haven't used yet in her first one. You know what? What?
There's a
You know what I want? I want one of those like kimono looking ones, like they're white crossbody.
Yeah, but I don't know where you get
I'll
those.
get them in the fall.
Guys, I'm sorry if I like.
Oh, I think I'm gonna get. No, that's a different one. What is that one? Oh, here it comes.
Ooh.
Are you showing? Oh yeah, you did show.
Honest shampoo and body wash and face lotion.
Honest Company, is that what it is?
Wait, but there's both in there? Reaching.
Well, what do I get to do during this video?
You already got to talk about them.
That's boring. Let's smell them. Bea uses Bea uses Johnson & Johnson right now.
It's coming.
And all of you that are going to come at me for that, come at me, bro.
I don't think anybody's going to come.
Oh, it smells good.
I don't think anyone's going to
Yeah,
come
isn't
at
Johnson
you.
& Johnson like linked to cancer?
Well, stop using it then.
Or
I'll
baby
come at
powder.
you.
I don't use baby powder. I don't use any kind of A&D lotion.
Yeah,
I don't use
never
anything.
had to really use a ton of that stuff.
I
either.
only do it if I notice that she is like any start of any kind of red, and then I put it on.
Okay, next.
I feel like you're rushing me.
Ooh,
You're picking all the boring
Johnson Johnson head to toe wash and shampoo.
Oh, no!
I think they've changed a lot now.
Those
Look, no parabens.
It's literally only their baby powder that's
Okay.
linked to something, because women put it down there for years. So
Ooh,
now-
a bottle.
Dr. Brown's. So this is Dr. Brown's. Includes a Happy Passy.
Ooh.
And this is 3 months on up, BPA free.
This is such a nice box. Look at this.
Yeah, for free, guys.
I mean, like this box in general,
oh,
not like this
I thought you meant the
specific box.
packaging was so nice.
I mean,
Bea is not anywhere close to 8 months or 8 ounces.
no.
But
No way.
I learned something new, guys. So my child, as of right now, is just breastfed, like exclusively breastfed. And I didn't know. Hey, I'm talking to you. I didn't know that with breastfed babies. Now there are some exceptions. You might be in the exception. I don't think there are exceptions though. My doctor said there weren't. That breastfed babies, even as old as they keep getting, they still only need 3 to 4 ounces of breast milk because it changes and gets fattier with whatever they need. So you don't have to keep like pumping them full of food.
Oh. That
But
doesn't
formula,
sound right.
it doesn't change with them. It's just a consistent nutrition. Are you
doesn't
doubting
sound
my
right.
doctor? Because I asked Mom about it and she said that's true.
Maybe you misunderstood.
I did! She's in
So,
a grumpy mood right now.
My
I
reaction
can tell
times
by
are
her
right
eyes.
off.
Your eyes look like
They're not open.
she's had a long.
Guys, we had the funeral yesterday,
Okay,
so it's just.
Oh, good thing you're not close up.
Wait, what? Get it.
Okay, I'll use this paper.
No!
Yeah, that's the best thing to
No!
get. So you need it. It's
I
a
don't
big,
want
it's a
it.
big one. It's a big boy. Is it between your two middle teeth? You're just going at it. Okay, she grabbed this.
I'll show.
This is, oh, Huggies.
Natural Care wipes.
I'll put them in the car.
Next,
Okay, keep going.
we're a breastfeeding guide with something.
Oh, breastfeeding pads. You can open it.
I'm going to open it.
She's grumpy, but
I'm not grumpy, Bo.
comment down below if you think she's like grumpier.
Please don't, guys. I'm emotionally
Yeah, don't. I'm
vulnerable.
sorry. Just talk about how great I am. Okay, side note though, I'm finally not having to use these anymore.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah, buddy,
Too
yeah.
bad because you got some 4 free ones.
All I do is I stick her,
Milk saver thing?
no, I actually don't do that anymore because I'm too lazy.
Oh.
I just stick her Breg in there quickly, you know, let
Oh.
down, and then I'm fine.
Why
I
don't
like-
you do that milk saver thing anymore?
Because I get so bored of it.
But there's so much.
You know, but I started to think about this, and again, correct me if I'm wrong, but when I do that, it's the letdown, which is all the fore milk.
Yeah.
So it's not really nutritionally great when I'm saving a bottle full of it, right? Because that's all she's getting. Fore milk versus hind milk, it does matter.
I think it does matter, but I think it also is milk.
I mean, it is milk, and I've saved all of it. I have like over, I think, 200 ounces now of it in the freezer. But
How many bottles is that?
that would probably last her, what does she drink, like 32 ounces a day? 32
Yeah.
ounces, so it would last her like a week.
That's not good at all.
I think it's great.
No, it's really good.
She's mommy shaming me.
I'm not. You don't pump at all, do you?
I don't. I just started actually this week
Okay, ready?
pumping after my morning feeding. Guys, I swear I'm not going bald.
Wow. a swaddle.
Oh, that's pretty. Amazing baby. Welcome, baby, to a beautiful.
This is so great. This alone could be really valuable.
Let's look it up, the price of it. This is
muslin swaddle.
You share about it.
It's a stroller cover.
Are you
going to
tell
them?
Amazing baby.
It's just a blanket.
I'm going to look up the price of it.
I know, but you said to share on it.
Yeah, this part.
Oh, no.
Did it stop us? No, it's
No,
fine.
okay.
It's fine. It's fine.
Ooh, doesn't stop calling me right now. We're recording.
Somebody's opening a window. I meant this, like, nice little tagline of it. It's Vea behind me.
No, it's Mom.
Oh, it's only $12.
That's still.
For a blanket. Are you going to open it to show her?
No, I showed him this.
Oh, he's calling again.
Oh, no.
I'm sorry. She doesn't want to show you anything right now.
I did show them.
Do you see Mom in the window?
She's wearing my shirt because I was wearing the same shirt.
Looks like this.
Wow.
Oh, it's one of the really large ones. Large and in charge.
It smells funny.
This is what Bubba...
Smell it.
Oh, I don't like it. This is what Bubba had to use.
I love it. It's nice.
Now I'm here for my pants.
Next.
They do love you. They think you're very beautiful.
Oh, good. Thank you. I need that.
Okay, so this is by Moon and Back. It's an organic cotton short sleeve bodysuit.
So is all of it...
Oh, Bo.
That's cute.
So,
what size is it?
3 to 6 months.
Way too big even still for her.
I love it.
That's
it's
really
little
cute.
elephants. Okay, next.
I'd give it to Aiden, but he's too big for it.
He's too big for it.
This is 100% organically grown cotton for newborns, toddlers. Our collection will keep your little one happy and cuddly all day. You know what will happen? It won't keep her all day because she will have spit up out of it. Stop it, Mom. She's choosing to wash the windows right now.
And she's on the phone.
Did Justin call?
Yeah, I think so. All right. Oh, I can't open this, Bo.
Hey, I got this in the first one.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, you did.
I don't understand why you told everybody I'm grumpy.
Because I mean...
I'm not grumpy. I'm low energy. There's a difference.
Okay, so in here I got a diaper.
Ooh,
What size is that?
Honest diapers.
I
Or
got-
7th generation
I got 7th
diapers.
generation detergent and
It doesn't
white.
say what size it is.
What's this
I would
thing?
think newborn.
No, that's a 1 for sure.
It doesn't say.
Yeah, how would it? I feel like it will fit her little butt. She's a little butt. She's got little butts.
I'm going to go hang
These
out
are
with
so
her
cute.
because you think I'm boring.
Maybe this is a newborn. No, this gotta be a 1.
How would you know? What if you had multiple sizes of these diapers and got them all confuddled?
Well, you would just look at the sizes of them.
I understand that.
Do you see it on there? I'm so scared you're going to hit me.
Hit you?
I don't see it. Yeah,
What else is in there? Show them.
I did. I said there was lotion.
Oh.
There's laundry detergent and
well,
there's
you already
white.
showed them.
I know I really did, but honestly,
Next.
I think that's it.
That's it? You said there was something really cool in there.
I thought that the bottle was really cool.
Mama.
Mom, you need to stop.
Oh my
I
goodness.
thought the diaper was cool.
No, it's all very
And the
cool, but
blanket
I
was
thought there
really
was something
cool.
specific you wanted me to say till the end.
It was that blanket.
Oh, it's the blanket. Okay. Bo! That's it. That's it. Thanks for coming to our channel. Don't forget to what is it, the word?
Subscribe, Brooklyn. That's what you sound like.
Guys, I'm really tired. As I was saying before, Bo rudely called me a Debbie Downer about someone important to me dying.
Stop, that's not what I was saying.
We had the funeral yesterday. It went really well. It was very honoring. Bo came.
I did, guys.
And she stayed for like all the funeral, which was like 2.5
My child
hours.
came in clutch.
She always comes in clutch.
She did. She had
And
a
then
black bow
Bo
on.
left. Yeah, she was in mourning. And then she left. And then they came back for the food, and it was really good food.
I was gonna tell. Oh, I gotta
Why
tell
are
you
you
guys
moving my hand?
a
You were
little.
leaning on
Not
me.
funny. It's not funny, but it was a cute little thing. So Jilly and her family were up at the front of the thing, and they were sharing like stories.
It was
of
like a eulogy
Yeah, of
procession.
her father-in-law, and Julia was holding Bubba, and Bubba was getting a little squirmy, and
Yes.
he saw my husband who he loves.
And he's like, Yaya's over there.
Yeah, and they're like speaking to this room full of like 400 people.
crying.
And so
People are crying.
Julia's like looking at me, and she was like,
I don't even have to say anything
yeah.
or do anything.
So I'm like walking up, and I'm like at the front with them, and Bubba's, I'm like off to the side, and Bubba like starts running. He tripped over himself.
I didn't see any
But
of
he was so
those.
happy, he was like, and Naya said that because we couldn't see over the chairs, he was like, I knew he fell because I saw his head bobbing, and all of a sudden it went down. And he was just so happy.
He just kept saying, when I was holding him up there, he kept, and I don't know if anybody heard him, but he kept saying, Mom, I see Bo, and I see Vea, I see Yaya over there, I see Jaina, I see Papa.
Because
I'm
he
like,
couldn't
oh
see us.
my
We were in this
God.
weird off room, but it was just
I was
so
like
cute.
in my head the whole time thinking to myself, please don't see Yaya, because when he sees Naya, Bo's husband, he freaks out. He's always like, Yaya! Like he has something very important to tell him.
He loves my husband.
Well, that's all. So I'm sorry if I was...
Thanks,
Grumpy.
Amazon. This was for free. Did you sponsor me? Is this my sponsorship? Because I
Stop
got
showing your address!
Shoot, I didn't. I showed it like this, didn't
Oh,
I?
no.
Oh, I showed it right up there.
All right, thanks for...
Don't
So-
come stalk me. Don't come.
Okay, goodbye.
Come to my home. You're so sweaty.